Okay, enough talking. Let's jump into the audio platform. Check out some of the sound effects. Check out how easy it is to search for the sound effects of your choice and to see if the library is a good fit for you. All right, you ready? Let's go. Hey y'all, I'm excited to let you know that this video has been brought to you by Audiio. Audiio is a royalty-free music licensing platform that is designed for filmmakers and creatives like yourself. If you're looking for a place to find some amazing music, dynamic sound effects, and the like for one low fee, then you should check them out. If you're ready to get a membership and you want a discount, then use my affiliate link below. Peace. All right, so we're on audio.com, and the first thing you're gonna do obviously is you're gonna log in to the Audiio platform. If you don't have a membership, you gotta have a membership, or I believe they may have a trial option for your browse option if you don't have a membership with them. Once I click on my name where it says Hi Tristan, I can go to my account options, I can go to browse music or browse effects. Now for this particular video, we're gonna jump into effects because we want to see what the effects look like. So I'm gonna click on the effects here. And by default, we have a few different things here. Like I said before, and I'd mentioned before, we have our cinematic collections. So this is a collection. We have our cinematic collections. So these are groups of sound effects that are grouped by a cinematic theme or tone or vibe. So if you're looking for something that's intense, that's eerie, that's scary, right? We're in the month of October and we're doing a lot of things for Halloween, and maybe you're making a horror film or a horror trailer or something to that nature, then you're probably gonna pick Momentum, right? If you're looking for something that's more uplifting, inspiring, airy, refreshing, you're probably gonna look at Aura, right? You wanna have something that's a little bit more intense, extreme sporting, something that's really dramatic, maybe suspenseful in a certain way. Then you're gonna go with Fierce, right? So it really just comes down to the tone and the feeling and the vibe that you're trying to create within your projects. And then once you do that, you can click on one of those tabs and then it'll take you to this collection, this cinematic collection. And once you go to the cinematic collection, you can click on any one of these options here, audio options, and you can listen to it, play it back. And then once you feel like it's a right fit, you can either download it or you can go to the favorite button and then it can be a part of your collections. Now let's just go back, or let's step back for a minute. Now remember how I told you there was the cinematic collections, but then there was also the featured categories. Now featured categories for me is, I love these categories, or I love this area, because again, it's gonna give you more specific groupings of the sounds. So for instance, if you're looking for water, weather, swoosh, technology, if you're looking for transportation sounds, right? Like cars, like you're in a car or cars are passing you. This is really the area that you're gonna stay in and you're gonna kind of live in. And based upon these particular tabs, you can actually just click on them and you can find the actual sound effect that you're looking for. The thing that I like the best about it is that when you do click on any one of these tiles or tabs, you have a boatload of different sound effects. And as you can see, it's going on for a while, right? Now, just below the featured categories, Audiio has also created a additional or more category section where it has things like cinematic, impact, air, doors, house, sci-fi, handles, textures, warfare, streets. It has a boatload of other just completely different collections of categories. So if you want to jump into just having a whole bunch of sounds for doors, creaky doors, clean doors, slamming doors, opening doors, all of those different things, it works perfectly for you. So you should really check out some of those things because I think they would be really, really helpful for you. So the last area I want to show you is the search all area. Now, if you click on the search all area, it's going to take you to almost like a Google search bar. Now, this is where you can type in whatever you're looking for: rocks, water, yells, clapping. I'm going to put in clap. okay, and see what comes up. Now, automatically when I click on clap, it brings me to big applause, right? I can have big applause 1 and I have big applause 2, right? Which is pretty cool. If I want to look for something else, like maybe dog, I just type in dog and then automatically it's going to find a whole bunch of dog sounds for me. You can search for specific sounds by what you were actually looking for, which was dog, but then you can narrow the search function down, right? So I can go by duration, right? And I can change the duration from a 5-minute sound all the way down to a minute and 30 seconds to 10 seconds. If I just want a 30-second or a 10-second clip or a 15-second clip, then it'll actually respond. The results will vary, and it'll actually respond in real time to me to show me what that variance is or what that specific search criteria will then yield for me. So that's another thing to keep in mind, is that there's a lot of different ways to fine tune and refine your search results based upon what you're looking for. If we go back to narrow search, I can go by animal, I can go by bark, I can go by alleyway, I can go by city, right? There's a couple of different criteria that I can add in to make my search results even more specific to my needs. So again, this is, the sky's the limit in terms of how you can search for these particular sound effects, because we're talking about thousands of sound effects at our fingertips, which is amazing for $200, and it's a lifetime subscription. You don't have to worry about paying that $200 every single year. You only pay it once and you have it for life.